Developing better new energy is key to addressing harsh environments and resource shortages. Yet new energy equipment faces critical challenges. Harsh environment withstand capability, consistent high performance, and cost effectiveness. Schneider Electric integrated solutions ensure new energy development. The solar industry converts sunlight into clean electricity, fueling the low-carbon energy transition and enhancing the security of distributed power supply. The wind power industry harnesses wind energy and converts it into electricity via wind turbines. BESS stores and releases electricity, enabling renewable integration and grid stability. Transformers boost grid voltage and distribute power to end-use applications. Hydrogen power generation transforms hydrogen's chemical energy into electricity through fuel cells or combustion, boosting low-carbon energy supply and improving grid flexibility. Our breaker, New Energy Landscape Solutions, secure your full energy chain and fuel your business growth. Easy Packed. Power new energy. Steer a sustainable future.